Good day, this is Red Mendoza from Dispatches Coffee. And we are here at the SMX Convention Center, ostensibly a day before cosplay Cosplay Expo 2025. And as you can see, ito na, nakaprepare na yung function rooms 4 and 5, the two biggest dito sa SMX Convention Center. And of course, we expect a lot of people coming in dito sa ACX starting tomorrow. Pero one thing na medyo sabihin na natin na medyo that could damper the plans of some people here na pagpunta dito sa ACX ay yung panahon. Medyo umuulan kanina when I was here na nandito tayo ngayon na pupunta tayo dito sa SMX. I was crossing down dito sa may kabilang building sa MOA Square. And ayun nga, ngayon medyo maulan. Napaka maulan. So, hindi ko lang ma-flip yung camera pero napaka maulan po dito sa labas ng SMX as of the time we're taping this. It's now around 9:15 PM. So, I don't know kung paano makaka-apekto ang ulan sa cosplay ACX because we all know na may bagyo si Krising na it's na may epekto sa Northern Luzon, pero of course hagip na hagip ang Metro Manila dahil nga sa habagat. So we are advising everyone na kung pupunta kayo dito sa ACX, magdala kayo ng payong. I mean, not for anything, pero yeah, magdala kayo ng payong kasi napakalakas ng ulan. We are expecting rain showers na magpapatuloy siguro until the late in the afternoon kasi nga Krising is medyo umaalagwa si Krising sa may Northern Luzon, and when we are expecting na ang ulan ay magtagal hanggang Sunday at the very latest. So again guys, if you are planning to go to ACX tomorrow, as much as possible magdala ho kayo ng payong and anything na panangga sa ulan. So ito, nakita niyo nagpe-prepare na yung mga tao dito sa function room 4 and function room 5. And as you can see, yan ang magiging entrance ng ACX dito sa SMX. And of course, medyo maraming events ngayon dito sa SMX kasi dito sa likod ko, kasalan, wedding expo. And sa baba, we have the pet expo din. So medyo maraming events dito sa SMX this weekend, 19 and 20, and expected na magkakaroon ng convergence lahat yan. So as you can see, nagpe-prepare na mga tao. I think it's going to be a large anime and cosplay expo, pero of course we can't see or hindi natin makikita or hindi natin ma-preview sa loob because this is a cosplay.ph. But tomorrow we expect the guests of Cosplay Mania to be revealed bukas ng mga 5 PM. Well, we don't know if it's happening on 5 PM it's happening on 5 PM. Of course, we will try to live stream that. And then tomorrow naman no, not tomorrow, Sunday, live natin yung guests for Cosplay Mania Jam. And of course, yun ang pinaka-inaabangan ng mga tao, yung guesting ng yung sino yung mag-guest for Cosplay Mania Jam concert that will also happen on Cosplay Mania, the 3-day Cosplay Mania October at the first weekend of October. Doon naman sa Cosplay Mania, of course, we expect big name cosplay guests, pero hindi natin alam kung sino. We're angling on some names pero hindi rin natin sure kasi minsan yung mga guest announcement din kasi it's out of left field. So ayun, so Again, if you're going to cosplay ACX tomorrow, or when we post this, siguro mga ano na, madaling araw na, later today, maghanda kayo ng raincoat, payong, and panangga sa ulan, because we expect the rain. Ito medyo tumila na. Ito medyo malakas kayong ulan dito eh. Nakita natin sa labas, medyo malakas yung ulan. So yeah, so always prepare rain gear, kasi nga we expect heavy rains by tomorrow, in the late after, magtutuloy-tuloy, kasi nga we have a storm, bagyong Christine, na may epekto sa Northern Luzon. And yes, if you are, and also this also goes without saying na dun sa mga nanonood sa atin doon sa Northern Luzon, please mag-ingat kayo always, kasi it's always makinig kayo lagi sa mga authorities natin dyan, kasi nga it's already a tropical storm, and medyo tumatahak na siya pa itaas, so it might have magkaroon ng landfall. So ingat po tayo dyan. Also sa ating mga kasama sa media na storm chaser, marami akong mga kaibigan na nandun na naman ngayon sa norte to chase Crising. So mag-ingat tayo dyan. Okay, so tomorrow ACX tayo. We'll go live at around 5 p.m. for the announcements, and then again we have a post-con announcement or post-con analysis at around 7 p.m. So i-dissect natin yung mga guests natin for Anime and Cosplay Expo, yung mga guests natin for Cosplay Mania 2025. Again, follow us on social media. They had my address dyan are there, dispatches. So always please share and subscribe. Okay, so this is Red Mendoza, and that's the way it is.